here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic, mix in the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was fucking born to do. Let's go.
Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another video. Today we will be doing the unboxing of Sony SRS-XB31. Yes, it is a quite and reasonable and a good speaker from Sony, as there are some of the features mentioned on the backside of the box, such as waterproof, USB charging and some more etc. And it cost about rupees 12,999 and INR with extra bass, and there is also a support app for it, Music Center by Sony. And now let's unbox it. Yes, it is in black color. Here it is, the Sony speaker named SRS-XB31. Let's put it aside and see what is inside the box. Here are the box contents, some of the papers, some manuals, some party booster features, and some help guides. It also includes an USB Type A to micro. It is a small wire but having a good quality. This look great on the hands. Yeah. As the fabric on the speakers are very great and well for rough and tough uses. There are 4 synthetic rubber tips for the grip, and on the back side there is a cap, and on above there are NFC ports, and these are the power, play, pause and volume buttons, and there is a lighting strip. Now open the black flip. There are some of the USBs and buttons. Yes, it is having a thick back flip for the waterproofing. Yes, it is a waterproof speaker and dustproof and rustproof also. Now let's start it. Yeah, now it has been started. The lights are amazing. Wow. Now I should take my phone, let it try to be connected by Bluetooth. Yeah, now it is connected. Yes, it is buffering. Oh, why this app is not opening? As there is also an aux mode. Yeah, here are the settings. We have to go to sound, check what are the features. Yes, there are the 3 modes: standard, extra bass and live sound, plus clear audio plus. There is also an illumination mode named by lighting mode. There are many modes such as rave, chill, strobe, random flash off, clam, daylight and some more. as I prefer to use strobe. There is also an most you can say awesome feature named party boosters. Here it is. The main feature of party boosters are that there are some pressure sensitivity in the speakers three-dimensionally, by which if you tap that, the bass, or you can say the beats are created, and you can enjoy your party. And now let me show you the waterproofing test of it. And now let's check all the lighting effects of this speaker. Hope you like our video. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to share, like and subscribe.